Siri became much more powerful with macOS 27. But here's the interesting part. You can make it even more smarter by connecting with ChatGPT. So instead of Siri only handling the basic tasks like setting reminders, opening apps, or answering a simple question, it can now use ChatGPT for deeper answers. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to achieve that. Hi there everyone, welcome to The Mac Essential. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe for more such Mac related productivity content. We already crossed 4,000 hours, but we are lagging behind in number of members in this family. So please support us to achieve 1,000 subscriber milestone. Alright, let's come back to the topic and make Siri more smarter. For that, you need to click here on this Apple logo and then go here in System Settings. Now look for Siri, which in previous version macOS Tahoe was Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now here we need to look for extension and here it says ChatGPT. Let's click on it and now enable this option which says Use Extension. And then here you can use it without account and with account. If you have got ChatGPT Plus, then it makes even more sense to utilize it. So here you can see I am using ChatGPT Plus account to fully utilize the capability of this extension. Now I can close this. Let's ask Siri question where it can utilize ChatGPT. Alright, to try ChatGPT and Siri connection, I have opened this Apple Pays app. And now if I go here on the top and click on Siri, now here I can tap on it and then I can ask a question. For example, write a YouTube video outlining with intro, setup steps, privacy warning and conclusion for connecting ChatGPT to Siri on Mac. And seems like Siri now became powerful as this macOS 27 came in and Siri itself is competent enough to answer that. Can you ask ChatGPT for the same? Alright, so now what is happening with this new version, since Siri became more smarter, it now connect with ChatGPT for more complicated tasks. For example, I'm gonna again ask ChatGPT to write a 120-word YouTube intro about connecting ChatGPT to Siri on Mac. Keep it simple and beginner friendly. Now it is sending requests to ChatGPT for us. So this is what I wanted to convey, like how we can, utilize ChatGPT inside Siri. But the thing is, as Siri is becoming more and more powerful, maybe you may not need it as often as it used to do in case of Tahoe. And this could be because of, beta version cannot utilize ChatGPT in efficient way. But for sure, you will see added benefits when you ask to do more complicated tasks to Siri and then it switched to ChatGPT. So in this way, guys, we can make Siri more smarter by integrating ChatGPT. Let me ask it another question. Ask ChatGPT to create tutorial on script explaining how ChatGPT makes Siri smarter and format it with headings. So you can see in this way you can utilize both and then it will take some time to respond. And there you go, here we can see the answer fetched from ChatGPT. And that's wrap up this video, guys. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to The Mac Essential for more such tips and tricks and I will see you around.